Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this stitch. It's made of single crochet and front post single crochet. So this is how it looks. I've used aran weight yarn and a 4mm hook. You can use any type of yarn and hook size. So let's start. For this pattern, start with an even number of chains. So I'm going to slip knot and do 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you've got your even number of chains, I've got my 16 chains. I'm going to work one single crochet into each of the chains, starting from the second one and using the back bumps. So this small little bump, when you turn the chain, you can see that. So starting from the second one, turn the work, and using that small bump, I'm going to do one single crochet into each. So I'm going to have 15 single crochet. And now for the second round, chain 1, turn the work, and place a single crochet into the first stitch. So go into the first one and do single crochet. And now for the next one, I'm going to do a front post single crochet. So this is the next stitch. So I'm going to insert the hook from the front, so you can see from here, go around the post like this and pull up a loop and do my single crochet like this. And now I'm going to go into the next stitch, so and do a single crochet into the next one. So this is the next, not this but this one, like this. And now I'm going to do again another front post single crochet into the next. So this is the one, go around the post, grab and single crochet. So this is the repeat for this round. Single crochet next and front post single crochet next. And repeat. After the last front post, you should have one stitch left, and this one should be a single crochet. So the last stitch is single crochet. So this is the end of the round. And now chain 1, turn the work, and place one single crochet next 2 stitches. So one single crochet and then again another single crochet. And now I'm going to do a front post single crochet next one. So this one here. And now single crochet next, front post next, single crochet and front post. And the last 2 stitches is going to be single crochet again. And after the last front post, there's 2 stitches left, and this is going to be single crochet next 2, then chain 1, turn the work, and now it's just a repeat of round 2 and 3. So now I'm going to repeat the round 2 again. So it's going to be starting with single crochet, then front post, single crochet, front post. So single crochet the first stitch and then do the front post,